Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix weather widget is not updating in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your weather widget is not updating, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you have to make sure that you have enabled your Wi-Fi or your network. You're connected to internet using Wi-Fi cellular data. You have to also make sure that your location is enabled. Go to your weather app or click on your weather widget here. Now just click on this menu icon over here. Click on these three dots and here click on settings. Scroll down, click on about weather and it will update your weather app. And once I've done, just go back from here. Now you just have to look for your weather app here. If you are unable to find your weather app in your apps folder or in your home screen or app settings, you can go to settings here, go to apps here, click on this star icon, enable show system apps, click OK, go to search and just simply search for weather. You might see weather app here, click on it and go to storage, click on clear cache and then click on clear data. Once you have cleared data, now you have to go back. If there will be any junk files, any technical issue with your weather app, it might be fixed in this app. It will automatically reload or update this time. Just click on agree, select your precise location and just wait for some loading here and it will fix your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can try one more thing. Just go back from here and here go to app settings of your weather app again. Click on this force stop option. Click OK. Now once you have forced stop your app will not be able to run in background. Once you have done, you have to go to settings, go to software update. Make sure that your software is up to date from here. Then just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just restart your phone. And once I've restarted, after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.